Good morning, everybody. I was supposed to get up and actually work the Little Rock Marathon this morning as the tail end position. But luckily, I had someone want to change with me, so I'm getting to work a water stop now. But I think the good Lord knew what He was doing because when I woke up this morning, I had this crazy thing going on with my truck. I'm gonna point it down here and look. Every time I hit my brake, it's like somebody opens the door. So if you've ever been behind anyone that's here, see if I can see every time I hit the if you've ever been behind anyone in a race that's dead last, they're usually walking. It's an overweight person or a handicapped person, and they're doing their best. And you just don't push them, but you're constantly tapping your brakes. So that would have drove me crazy this morning or today. Anyway, see ya.